Okay, so today we're going to look at how you set up your Wise app on your phone or your iPad. And the first thing we're going to need to do is just go ahead and open up the app. When you first come to the home screen, you can see that we've got 6 buttons here, as well as a couple buttons at the bottom. This one takes us back to the dashboard. This is a quick link to the scores, a quick link to the scanning screen, quick link to our keys, and a quick link to the organizer, and you can use these while you're using the app. For us to get started, we're going to go into the organizer first so that we can start building out the essentially what's the filing cabinet for your app. So the first thing we need to do is manage courses, and the way that we have the app structured, essentially the way that it is we have courses, which are a general subject taught. So for example, if you teach chemistry, that's a course. And then you have classes, which are specific periods or hours of those classes. So first hour chemistry, second hour chemistry, those are classes. So the first thing we need to do is make our general courses. So I'm going to select New Course, and you'll see that you have a course ID. The course ID does not need to be anything special. It's not actually that important for the app, except for just sort of keeping things organized. So for this one, we're going to make a chemistry one, so I'm just going to name it Chem-1, and you can pick anything you want. And I'm just going to say the course name is Chemistry. Okay, so I'm going to hit return, and then I'm going to go ahead and save this one. And I'm going to make one more course real quick. I'm going to make this one for a physics course, so I'm going to say this is Phys 1. And I'm just going to say physics for the course name. And so now we have both of our courses made. We've got a chemistry course and a physics course, and you want to make as many courses as you have. So however many subjects you teach, that's as many courses as you want to make. But if you have 3 chemistry classes, this is not the place to enter all those classes. You just want to make a general chemistry course first. Once you've got all your courses made, we want to go back and we want to go into manage classes now to start the next level of organization. So we're going to do a new class, and for this one the class ID is actually a little bit important because this is the specific number that will tell the app what class a student belongs to. So it doesn't matter what number you pick, you can choose anything. I'm just going to do 1 for this class ID, and I'm going to name this one First Hour Chemistry. And the other thing you want to do, just go ahead and hit return, and then make sure that you click on this little filing cabinet icon. And this is what allows you to say for this class which course that is. So this is a chemistry class, so I'm going to pick Chem 1 for my course. And now you can see I've got my class ID, which is going to be unique to this class name, and the course. So I'm going to click Save. And I'm going to add one more new class. I'm just going to make this one class ID 2. And I'm just going to add another chemistry class. Name it Second Hour Chemistry. And then again, I'm going to go into the filing cabinet, and I'm going to choose that it's a chemistry course. And I'm going to click Save. And at this point, we've got all of our classes made. So by the time you get here, you want to have all your courses assigned and all your classes made with the class ID, the description of the class, and then also make sure that you click and say what course those classes belong to. Once you get to that point, you're about ready to start adding students into the app. So we're going to stop there and have you watch our next video on adding students in and getting their IDs and stuff like that.